Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in today's free training video, I want to show you a website. It's a secret website, not many people know about it. And it can make you between $10 and $200 a pop. So it's free to join. All you're gonna have to do is just get people in, and these people will be making you money, and it's even on a recurring basis. So it can turn into passive income. And again, this is something that you can join for free. There's a paid option, of course, if you want to make your life a little bit easier, but you can join absolutely for free, and you can start generating passive income, and it's recurring. So it's month after month after month, and again, you'll be making between $10 and $200. So first of all, if you would like to see more of these free training videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. You know, the more subscribers I have, the more of these free videos I'm able to make for you guys. Please like this video, comment if you have any questions, or if you have any future ideas for me for videos. And also, if you are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the bell notification button to receive notifications about all my newest free training videos. Okay, so guys, let's just jump in. I'm going to show you exactly how this website looks like. Okay, so the website name is called Moolovine. You have the link in the description of this video. So go ahead and click on the link. You will see this screen right here. So essentially, this is a welcome video. You'll be able to join for free. So all you have to do is just enter your email and your password, and you will be able to access your free account. So this is what you will have to do first. Once you are in, this is the inside of the members area. So again, you can join for free, and all you have to do is just send people to the same squeeze page, the same page that you signed up on, and everyone that will sign up will essentially become your Vine. So you are growing your Vine, you're growing the amount of people that are subscribed under you. And the whole idea behind it is that every single person that will be under you, if you're gonna have 100 people below you, each and every single person will ask you for your affiliate link to a product that they are going to buy. So this is the whole idea behind it. Obviously, to keep your account working, you're gonna have to do the same for the person that is above you. So let's say you want to buy a product, and say, instead of just going and buying it off of ClickBank or JVZoo or whatever the marketplace is, you go to Moolovine, you ask the person you subscribed under for their affiliate link, and you buy through their affiliate link. So essentially, you're not spending any more money on anything else. You're just using someone else's affiliate link, and everyone that is below you will do exactly the same. So essentially, once you're gonna subscribe, once you're going to open your free account, people will start asking you for your affiliate link, and they will start using it, because in order to use this website, you will need credits. And I'm going to explain all about credits in a second. So essentially, people will be asking you for your affiliate link. Each time they are buying something, you get 50% or 100% or whatever the offer pays you. So essentially, you don't have to promote anything. People are coming to you and they are asking you for your affiliate link. So this is the easiest way to make money online, okay? And what about the credits? In order to keep your account going, you need credits. Each dollar that you spend gives you one credit. One credit is 1 day. So let's say you're gonna buy a product for $15. Your account is good for 15 days. This is very simple. And again, this is, you're buying products online. This isn't money that you wouldn't spend otherwise. Instead of just buying the product off of JVZoo or ClickBank, you buy the same exact product, but through the person that is above you on this platform. So you're not spending any more money. You are just using someone else's link, and people will be using your link. So this is how it all works. You can skip this step if you don't want to be buying products and earning credits. You can essentially pay $20 a month, and you will have a green account, what they call. So a green account allows you essentially you have unlimited credits, so you don't have to worry about credits, buying products, anything else. You are paying $20 a month, and still every single person that is below you will be using your affiliate links. And on top of that, if anyone will subscribe below you and they upgrade to the green account, you're making 50%. So you're making $10 month after month after month. And they also have an option where they can pay upfront for a few $100s, I think. So you're making 50% on that as well. So again, all you have to do, your only job is to send people to this page for them to subscribe, and then once they are in, they are either using your affiliate link, or they will be you'll be paid 50% of whatever they are paying per month. Okay, so a ton of money is to be made with this, both a free option or a paid option. And a part of the members area and everything else, you have extensive video training showing you exactly not only how to use Moolovine, but also how to grow your Vine. So there are a number of different ways you can grow your Vine for free. You know, you can use Facebook traffic, social media traffic in general. You know, Brian, the guy behind this project, is an amazing marketer who will show you exactly what you have to do to make money as soon as possible for free, so without spending $1. If you want to invest a little bit just to make your life a little bit easier, you can. It's just $20 a month. But then again, if you're gonna pay this $20 a month, you are getting 50% on everyone else who is paying $20 a month, so you're getting $10 a month. So just 2 people that will subscribe to Moolovine below you will pay for your account, and everyone else is just passive income month after month after month. So they only have to pay once, they only have to buy once, and they will be charged every single month, and you're making 50% of that. So this is one of the easiest and the coolest system I've seen in a while. You essentially don't have to do anything. Again, you just send traffic to a squeeze page. Everyone that is below you makes you money, either asks for your affiliate link, or you're making money in passive income and recurring commissions. So I highly recommend you join. Click the link in the description. You can join for free, you know, and again, you get extensive video training on everything. You know, the idea behind it is super easy. You know, it takes maybe a minute to understand it, but you know how it works is super easy. And just to show you, click on view more. You can see I have already 3 people asking for my affiliate link. So I have 3 products right here. These 3 people asked for my affiliate link. I'm essentially gonna send them my affiliate link. They will buy, and I'm gonna be making money this way. So you know, this is a very easy way to make money. It's sort of like a big group that just, you know, everyone cooperates with each other. So you're making money for someone else, other people makes money for you. As long as everyone is using Moolovine, this is just an amazing way to make money. And again, you don't have to do anything, just keep on sending traffic to the squeeze page that you will receive for free, and you know, there's a ton of money to be made. And again, this is they have a passive income recurring option, which just blows my mind, because all you have to do is make the sale once, and you're going to be paid for months or even years to come. So guys, again, please use the link in the description to open a free account. You don't have to spend a single dollar. And if you have any questions, please let me know, because I'm always here to help you. You know, I'm going to do more of these free training videos. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell notifications, and I will talk to you soon, alright? Ciao, see ya.